Spanish speakers, learn better English pronunciation with this simple tongue twister. It's not easy, but practice it over and over again and you're going to strengthen some of your English phonetics. They're a common problem for Spanish speakers. She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely seashores. So if she sells shells on the seashore, I'm sure she sells seashore shells. This is really difficult. Have fun with this. Do it over and over again until you get it right and see if you can do it fast. This will build the new English neural networks in your brain so it just comes naturally to you. Look at my profile. Join our free community. You can practice your English. There's a free course there for you. All kinds of goodies. You can speak with me. I'll help you with any of your English communication problem.